Let's now start working on shot 8. Shot 8 is actually an offshoot or a cropped version of shot 1, so there's not much that we need to do. In here you can see that this animation activates at frame number 12 and it only lasts for next 12 frames and ends at frame number 24. So we only have first 12 frames in this animation. Okay, so all we have to do now is to go inside level 1 and remove the first 12 frames so that we have this very smooth continuity of animation from a different angle. So I'm going to go into the content browser and I'm going to go into content. I'm going to open up level 1 and I'm going to go into level sequence. Let's open up the first level sequence, and all you have to do in here is to move your playhead to frame number 12 and use your square bracket to set the starting point of the animation in here. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Now our animation will begin at frame number 12 and it will last up till frame number 54 or so. I'm not sure what is the frame number, but yeah, it's gonna be 54. Okay. The purpose of creating shot 7 and shot 8 was that you can use the same animation but capture your shot from different camera angles and different sort of movement, and then combine those shots taken from different angles to get some very cinematic and good looking results, just like shot 7 and shot 8. So that's pretty much it for this lesson, and in the next lesson I'll show you how you can render out all these shots. So I'll see you guys in the next one.